Welcome to English Biography. Today, we are going to learn about Elon Musk, one of the most famous inventors and business leaders in the world. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he was very curious and loved learning about science and technology. When he was just 10 years old, Elon taught himself how to use a computer and even created a simple video game called Blastar, which he sold when he was 12. Elon's family supported his education. His mother was a model and dietitian, and his father was an engineer. Although Elon faced bullying at school, he never lost his passion for learning and dreaming big. At 17, Elon moved to Canada to study at Queen's University. Later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. There, he earned 2 degrees, one in physics and one in economics. In 1995, Elon briefly started a PhD program at Stanford University, but he left after only 2 days. He wanted to build companies that could make a difference in the world. His first business was Zip2, a company that helped newspapers publish maps and business directories online. In 1999, Zip2 was sold for nearly $300 million, and Elon made his first big fortune. Next, Elon started X.com, an online payment company that became PayPal after a merger. PayPal made it easier for people to send and receive money on the Internet. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. After these successes, Elon focused on 2 big dreams: space travel and clean energy. In 2002, he founded SpaceX with the goal of making space travel more affordable and eventually sending humans to Mars. SpaceX built powerful rockets that can be reused, which was a huge step forward in space exploration. At the same time, Elon invested in Tesla Motors, a company making electric cars. Tesla's cars run on electricity and produce 0 emissions, helping protect the environment. Tesla's Model S was praised for its long range and great performance, and later models like the Model 3 helped make electric cars more popular worldwide. Besides SpaceX and Tesla, Elon started other projects like Solar City, which makes solar energy systems for homes, Neuralink, which works on brain-computer interfaces, and The Boring Company, which builds tunnels to reduce traffic in cities. Elon Musk is known for his big ideas and hard work. He spends long hours working and isn't afraid to take risks. His vision is to create a better future for humanity, both on Earth and beyond. Thank you for watching this video about Elon Musk. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to English Biography for more inspiring stories that help you learn English.